don't know where your red hat is, but those that... Take them off.
Babe. So guys, as you guys know, my wife been pranking me for a few days. But today, at the day, we make a prank her back. You get what I say? Yeah. So we have an appointment. We're going to go up on the road maybe in the next 30 minutes or so. So I'm going to just like I'm coming from nowhere. I'm going to just like I am nobody to see a reaction and get a reaction. You understand? So stay tuned for this one. Yeah. Babe.
Hey, what time is it? We gotta go. Oh, I need my watch anyway. Why are you not ready?
Babe, because I am ready. I just need my red cap. I'm ready.
You're not wearing...
What you mean?
Babe, you're not wearing those. What are you doing? We're going to
Babe,
an
it's cold outside. It's cold.
Do you not see me? Like, what are you... Oh, you better go change your clothes. I know you must be joking.
No, baby. I am ready. I am dead front ready. Hey, can you help me find my red cap? I need my red cap.
There's a black one there, and go put your black jeans on, babe.
No. Babe,
you look like you're ready to go to a pajama party.
What do you mean?
You look like... These are our Christmas pajamas. What are you doing? You look all frumpy, babe. No, I'm not going anywhere with you like that.
Babe,
I'm
good.
I'm not
going.
going... Babe, I'm not going anywhere with you like that. So you might as well go change right now.
So what happened to this?
What? I can't stop laughing at you when I'm looking at you. Like, what are you talking about?
Babe,
you look all janked up. Come on, you know you're joking. There's no way you're serious.
Babe, I saw me go more red cap. Babe, help me find my red cap. This is the way I'm going. I need my red cap. I don't
know where your red hat is, but those that... Take them off.
Babe?
Put a pair of pants on now. Come on, we're going to be late.
No, I don't need those pants.
Where's my watch at? I'm not playing with you right now. You're not wearing those. Where is my watch?
Babe, I'm ready. I'm red cap on.
Wearing those? I'm going to get the scissors and rip them off of you.
Babe, you hear me say?
Babe, do you...
So me I go.
Babe, come on.
I don't care what nobody wants to say.
God. What are you doing? Babe, take them off. I'm serious. I'm not joking.
I don't care what anyone wants to say, babe. This is me. This is how I feel comfortable.
I can't find my watch. This is stressing me out. Because I can't find my watch and you got some ugly pajama pants on. We're going to a meeting. You're making us late. We have to go. I can go without my watch, but we are not...
You keep removing my stuff.
Babe.
You keep separating my stuff. Now I can't find my red cap with my red pants. This is good, baby. What happened to this?
You're stressing me out. You're stressing me out. Because I gotta find my watch, but I don't need my watch to go. Where's my watch? But you can't take those off, babe. We're not going with those. That's just foolishness. They're gonna say you're a clown.
Who's a clown?
You're a clown with them on.
So you won't walk with me like this?
No, I won't because.
Why?
Because.
You said you married me for better or for worse.
Oh, now you're gonna play that one on me.
Of course. Because I accept you anyway.
Yes, I accept you, babe, but I'm not going anywhere.
Babe, outside is cold and this is a good pants for the weather. I like this.
Gosh. Babe, we're not going to the meeting if you're wearing that. I'm sorry.
So you're gonna cancel?
Yeah, if you're wearing that, I'm not going.
Babe, this is how I feel comfortable.
Well, then you go by yourself. I don't need to go with you.
Really?
Yeah, really. I'm not going to meet with that on. But he's gonna say he's gonna take you for a joke if you walk in like that.
Really?
He's not gonna take you seriously. Babe, you guys don't dress like that in Jamaica. Why are you dressing like it here? I don't understand. Would you dress like that in Jamaica?
This is my personality, babe. Of course.
You would drive like that. You would dress like that in Jamaica.
Of course, babe.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Babe, you bought these pants.
I bought them for Christmas morning to take pictures by the tree, not to wear to a freaking meeting.
What do you mean? These are
Babe,
good, baby.
you look like a oh my gosh, I can't even look at you right now. I'm stressed out. I can't find my watch, and now you've got these ugly pants on.
I can't find my friggin' cap.
You don't need your cap because you're not wearing those pants. There's a black cap up there. I don't know where your red cap is, to be honest. Pass me my vest. I need that vest.
This one?
Yes. Alexa, what's the temperature out?
Right now, it's 10 degrees Celsius.
Oh, maybe I don't need
Tonight,
this.
expect a
Is
low
that,
of 3
do I need
degrees.
this?
Of course, 10 degrees here is, and it's still cold. I don't get it.
Okay, well, come on, babe. Take those pants off and come on.
So what should I wear?
Anything but those. Anything but those.
I can't believe
Anything
you
but
doing me
those.
this. I really can't believe you doing me this. I know I feel some type of way about this. I know I don't feel like I want to go on the road. Because all of what you're saying about my clothes making me emotional right now.
Babe,
Yes?
those are for... Like, I realize people wear pajama pants out and everything.
Yes, but I don't care.
But they're
babe.
bright and they're red. They got snowflakes on them. Like, I don't even like snow. Like, I can't stand the snow. And those got snowflakes on them. Like, and they're so short on you. And you can see your private area and everything sticking it. Like, you need to... Babe, they're not for to wear to a meeting. Come on. Please. We're going to be... It's 3:30. We got to be there by 4. What are you doing? Please. They look so bad, babe. Come
Babe,
on.
I can't
No.
believe you don't accept me like this.
No, you gotta take them off. Go. I mean, seriously. You're making me regret even buying them if you want to wear them out.
You know what? I'm not taking them off. I'm going just like this. I don't care, baby. Let me find my red cap.
Babe, if you want to take a picture of, where's my phone at? If you want me to, I don't even know where my phone is. If you want me to take a picture of you, I will show you what you look like. I don't even know where my phone is.
So guys, on my first attempt, I don't know, I get some good reaction, but I think it failed because the camera fell down. I never set the camera right. So much things happen. But what I wanted to do, I just ended up telling her it's a prank, you understand? So what I want you guys to do, just like, share, and subscribe to the video, understand? And get us going. Peace out, guys.
I may say Ireland boss, I may represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I may tell you no, I may say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?